The Jerba Midge screen comes in this nice little bag. It's super lightweight, and you just unzip the bag there and pop out the screen, and you'll see we've got this really fine, really tough little Midge net that we use for the Volkswagen windows. And I'll just give you a quick demonstration of how to fit it. The Jerba Midge screen is a simple product, and the first thing you want to do is basically open the window all the way back. What you'll then do is take your Midge screen and feed it up into the window. You can then slide it behind, we'll just get this in the right place, behind the inner part of the window like so. You can then just budge the front forward a little bit and it will clip it into this existing lock for this window. Once you've got it in place, you just slide it to the front just so there's no gaps around the window, and there you have it. Super simple but really, really effective Midge screen, which is perfect for any of you that are holidaying in Scotland. Now, it's really good for cooking too, so it gives you nice airflow into the van without, allowing anything to come into the van. And what I do with my one is I actually slide the window, so I just have a little half window and I just leave it like that all day. Keep some nice airflow in and out the van. And to take it out, you just want to slide it back a little bit and just pop it out and down. And there you have it. Really simple, but really, really effective product. So like I mentioned before, the Jerba Midge screen is only for genuine Volkswagen windows. If you're not sure if you've got genuine windows or not, we have another quick video for this. It's on the product page. You can find it on our website, linked below. So how much is it and where can you get it? Now, the Jerba Midge screen is £50 and shipping's included in that. £5 from every sale goes to a charity called Malaria No More. It's a charity that we've worked with for years now with our old Midge nets, and they do a fantastic job. To find out a little bit more about the charity and about what your £5 means to them, you can have a little look at the link in the description below and read a little bit more about it. To purchase these, you can do so on our website, which is linked below in the new Jerba shop. If you're unsure about fitting these to your van, if you've got genuine windows or any of those kind of things, please just reach out to us. We're more than happy to help guide you through the process. You can send us a picture of your van and we'll let you know if you've got genuine windows or not. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and hopefully you're just as excited as we are about this product. It's a simple product, but it solves such a big issue. And keep all those little creepy crawlies out your vans as you tour the Highlands in our beautiful country. Hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.